Teresa here with Paper Closet Designs. Welcome to my studio. So today's video is a little bit different. We are going to start the exclusive class for Heartfelt, and we are making these foundation paper piecing hot pads. These are for Christmas, and it's a foundation pattern, and so this is a two-part class. The first part will be a video filmed here in my studio, and I will go over everything that you need supplies-wise, fabric-wise. We'll get your fabric set up and ready to cut. And then the second class will be hands-on inside the store, and we will actually put the foundation paper piecing pattern together and turn it into a hot pad. I also have a couple of examples of other projects that you can do with it, including a pillow and a table runner. So if you are interested in signing up for this class, follow the link down below and get signed up, and then you'll have access to the full video and the full the class if you want to do the class, or the class will also be another video, if that makes sense. The second part, I'll have a video for it as well. So go ahead and sign that up. For those of you who have already signed up, you should have gotten an email with the supply list and a link to this video. And we're gonna go ahead and continue on. I'm gonna head over to my cutting table and we will get started. So thanks for joining me today.